Hello, let's get to the point. We are drawing an animal that's called a Hyrax. So a Hyrax is an animal that is native to Africa, and it is called the Awawa animal because it makes a sound that resembles the word Awawa. It's got very popular on social media, and now I'm going to be showing you how to draw it fast and easy. So first, you kind of get a boxy head. We are just drawing its face. Then you continue the head, but it's going to be like a trapezoid. It is a very interestingly shaped animal. So here we are going to be putting the ear like this and like this. Then the neck is going to be here. Now we remove this guideline, but the small bit will remain here, and the other side is going to be getting an ear too, like this. And now we are going to focus on the facial structure of this interesting animal because it has a very prominent and odd face. So this is going to be the eyebrow ridge, and it is going to be more recognizable once I put the eyes in. So here we are putting the eye areas in. Here also we are putting the eye areas in. And now we are going to be giving it a small guide to make its eyes realistic. It has whiskers, and it also has whisker-like structures that go above its eyes, so we are going to put that in due time. Now we are going to be giving it the ear ridge, and for this one it is going to be something more like this because the ear, as far as I can see, is facing backwards, and from here it is going to be more like this. So now we have the eye ridge. We are going to be putting it on the second line. It is not the eyelid, but it is more like a ridge line that slowly distinguishes where the eye would be. So before we put the fine details, we are going to be putting the nose, which is going to have this trapezoid shape, and then it is going to have this wide nose, but not so wide. It's just an interestingly shaped animal. This animal is more a native of Africa and related, believe it or not, more to elephants than to anything that's actually a fellow rodent. It is interesting. So we are giving it the nostrils. Here we are making a realistic Awawa. It has some kind of shape like this on its nose, and the nose also has ridges like this. Now that we have the nose covered, now we are going to be connecting this eyes to the nose. That's a very easy thing to do. Now we are going to give it the actual eyes. The eyes are almond shaped, oval, like this. The eyes are brown and reflective in the real animal. But for all intents and purposes, we are just going to give it a little shine and call it a day. Like this. And here a little shine and call it a day. Now that we have the eye, we are going to be putting the under eye line like this, like this, and then the other line like this for this one as well. So we are going to be giving it the tear ducts, and now we have a very convincing animal, giving it the other lines on its face. Another important line is going to be this line that's connecting the head ridges to this facial structure, and then this flat line that goes like that. Now that we have it all, we can focus on what makes this animal kind of cute, which is its mouth. So we go like this. The mouth resembles that of a dog. It has two lobes that go like this. This is how it goes. Then it has the fangs. So these are actually not fangs, but related to the tusks of elephants. And this is the facial shape, but we are not done yet, because this animal has a face that looks like this. Like this. The face is getting drawn like this. Now we give it the face lines like this that it has in the nature, and now we have the main face drawn. We are going to be giving it the additional detail lines that are going to be for color purposes. We are not going to color this, but it still gives the general structure of the animal and the general feel of how it looks. So something like this. It has a funny line that goes under its chin like this, and then it has the whiskers that we are going to be concerned about. So give them very sparse, very stringy, very irregular, just like this. On the other side as well, they should be very sparse, stringy, irregular. The whisker in the bottom can be a bit shorter than the others. And now the last part is the whiskers around its eyebrows. So we are going to give it the eyebrow whiskers, something like this. And other ones we are also going to be giving the eyebrow whiskers. So here I'm going to be giving it like this, and then you have a Hyrax drawn. The Awawa animal is now ready. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please stay tuned for more drawings of animals and other nature stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe even share the video. Bye.